am Mrs. Jayanthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Saurashtra College, Madurai. I am going to explain few things about classification. There are two forms of data analysis that can be used for extracting models describing important classes or to predict future data trends. These two forms are as follows: classification, prediction. Classification models predict categorical class labels and prediction models predict continuous valued functions. For example, we can build a classification model to categorize bank loan application as either safe or risky, or a prediction model to predict how much a given customer will spend during a sale given their income and occupation. In this example, we are bothered to predict a numeric value. Therefore, the data analysis task is an example of numeric prediction. Regression analysis is a statistical methodology that is most often used for numeric prediction. Data classification is a two-step process. Build the classifier model. This step is the learning step of the learning phase. In this step, the classification algorithm builds the classifier. The classifier is built from the training set made up of database tuples and their associated class labels. Using classifier for classification. Test data are used to estimate the accuracy of the classification rules. If the accuracy is acceptable, the model is used to predict data labels for given data. Because the data label of each training tuple is provided, the classification process is also known as supervised learning. There are so many algorithms for finding classification rules. There are decision tree induction and split algorithm based on attribute selection measures, information gain, Gini index, gain ratio. Navier-Bayes classification, classification by backpropagation, support vector machines, classification using frequent patterns, lazy learners, classification based on generic algorithm, rough set approach, fuzzy set approach. In the file named as clustering, the detailed discussion about Navier-Bayes classification algorithm is discussed in detail.